Tell them again what's going on.
Today, what is it, 22, 23 degrees?
We're back.
This is two kings coming together to
Sit on one throne.
sit on one throne. Yeah, so got an 8x16 deck extension. We're matching the existing deck style, which is wood deck boards, wood railing with aluminum spindles. And probably the little cherry on top today is we're doing Trex rain escape underneath to catch water, and then we got a gutter attachment downspout to spice things up a little bit today. So it's pretty much as basic as it comes. We got no stairs.
Some snow flurries.
If you want to go from like start to finish of getting posts on beams, decking all in a day, we call this a deck in a day. This is our best. These are our best days. These are our most fun days, and hopefully we get done by 4. Lumber showed up late. Ben showed up late, traveling through the snow to get here. And of course, we're battling the elements of 22 degrees.
We came from 3.5 hours away, which turned into 4.5 hours away, and we still beat his crew here somehow.
Well, in a normal day, he'd probably still be Dylan to work. So there's some truth to that.
No, the boys are out back working. Jared is getting his tools situated, and we're gonna get after it. It's gonna be a great day. The sun is kind of out. The skies are blue. And we had this, the Martinez is present. We had this discussion on the way here. Every day can be a good day. Every day can be a nice day.
It's all perspective.
It's mental, baby.
Yep.
You got to stay strong. You got to stay
out of
motivated.
liberal universities also. Am I allowed to say that? Or what's up, buddy?
There he is. What's up, Caleb? Are we ready?
We're ready.
Let me get my tool belt.
All right. You say what you want. Ask whatever questions you want. If you're good with Ben, then you're good with me.
I'll give you $20 for this truck.
Well, you'll buy the truck if Caleb doesn't, right?
Yeah, by Friday.
I'll take some of the glasses
Caleb.
over there that may have been yours.
What's up? How you doing?
Good. How you been?
This is Jared.
Jared.
Did you guys build this one originally?
No, this came from home, or the Fisher or Dries, whoever the builder was.
All right, what do we got, Clay?
We got concrete was already put down. We got piers underneath of our posts, so we're building on top of it. And then once we get done, the concrete company's coming back to make everything look right. So we got a 4-post setup.
This size just wasn't doing it for him, was it?
I think they have a lot of friends. We don't have that problem.
Bigger is better, as they say. That's what they say.
I'm more quality over size.
Yeah.
Like, give me a composite with aluminum railing, smaller, over like a big wood deck. Joist.
What do I need on me, Clay?
Use it.
Come on, Caleb.
Yeah, just flush the bottom with the deck, and then he's gonna mark off the bottom.
Okay.
I'm liking your guys' tool belt setups. You got a good setup going.
Yeah, I mean, if you're doing fencing, you need something like that. But if you're doing decking, you need so much more stuff. Check out. I think these are called CB Brothers. Yeah, CB Brothers. Check out these stair boys. You put this on your speed square
Oh, that's sweet.
and get your treads so you can mark it. These always stay on me.
You got to keep that thing on you.
Yeah. So what we're gonna do now is, since we're shooting off the bottom of that deck, we're running 2x12, double 2x12 beam underneath. Where are you? There you go. So we're gonna measure. First, we're gonna measure our. Where are you? First, we're gonna measure our 2x12s because they can come anywhere between 11.25 to 11.75. So from that mark down, we're gonna measure that. You know.
Yep.
Just cut it. Okay. You want to try a worm drive?
No,
Whatever.
I need that. Clay, what are we doing right now?
More details?
Yeah.
We're just keeping this together so it doesn't expand over time.
I mean, what step of the process are we at right now?
We're ready to start putting joists on. We're gonna get it square. Rim on both sides and get it square.
Is that the speed board, Jared?
What? Take that. Hold on, you're on a nail. That's gonna ruin that tip. Try to dive here. We should have drilled him from the front. Let me see. Okay.
Not your first time through the hole.
Actually, it would be better if we put them on the outside.
Are these the only ones we have left?
Are you gonna do this? How often do you use the hammer?
Well, we got to build some decks this year.
How often do you use the hammer?
I mean, it just whenever we use a hammer, it's for dumb stuff.
Man, that's not how a real carpenter talks.
Can't be busting these ones.
Gotta get all the way through. You got a bolt? Can I give you a bolt? Yes, sir. I got it. Yes, sir. Drill me.
I'm trying.
Take it. Take it. Just slide it in and then pull it back now. Attaboy. That's good. Leave the rest. Okay, Jared, you put it right where I want it, and we're gonna toenail it. Toenail that bad boy. Oh, I like that. That's a beautiful. Do you toenail much? That's beautiful. Give me another one. Give me two. That's a nice toenail. Pick it, Ellie. That's hey. I still can't get my guys to do that quality.
I do a great job doing
No,
that.
you don't.
He says, "No, you don't."
You don't. No, you don't. Spot that.
Clay, what's next? What's next?
We're gonna set up. Gonna get it square. Get it rolled. We're depending on if that deck is square or not. It should be, but you know how things go.
2x12 beams, 6x6 posts. Double 2x12 beams, 6x6 posts. Gonna get the joist going here after we make sure this is square. Or square. Square enough, right, Clay?
If that deck's square, this deck's square. You gotta play with that. Jerry, this guy needs a
This is important.
What's the one up? You said never give up. I said play give up on us. I know, I said that too.
Have you done a lot of these, Dylan? With the waterproof?
I think we've done 5 or 6.
What about that last thing where we were doing the question board? It's like not all the time.
Oh, yeah.
So you have like 8 new boards.
It is-
That garbage.
As we're leaving.
Bless you.
You good? Good. I'm gonna try the room.
Jared, if you can get an impact, we need to raise this up to that other side, this bottom rail. Does that make sense? Actually,
And I have to get the plane in. That's what you don't want to do.
that's fair.
Do you want to change Savannah, or do you want me to change Savannah? Just say, can you?
No, it's, you think that I'm the wife, you're the wife. It's like, hey, what are you going to get overstimulated by for no reason? Let me go ahead and do that for you.
Say, Caleb, you're playing this. I don't like the whole like. You want me to do this?
If it's too much for you, I'll just do it. It's just like, the show's coming to an end, and I'm trying not to ruin our friendship.
Not coming just for a little bit.
It's got a little toe kick there. This side's feeling pretty decent.
Dylan, you're working with me, and Caleb, of course it's good. That's level all around. Level all around.
Okay.
You don't have to ask me. You have to ask Caleb. You're working with
I
me.
have to ask these things. Anything against you.
Again, I can hear you.
Dylan, are we putting a bolt in this?
Again, I can hear you. Whoa, whoa, whoa!
Frick.
Where you kind of like speak on the quality of it. Yes.
The first time we did this kind of Pegada, remember how like Caleb worked like a half day, and then you and I kept.
No,
working?
I left
like 3 or 4. Yeah, but
I left like 30 minutes.
No, it was a couple hours.
That was
Was he? No, it was like 4:30 or something. But he was still. Did you have a headache or was he tired or something? No. It's not that big of a deal.
I think it was me and you. The first.
It would be you and I. It would be you and I.
Whatever.
Remember we had to like redo that.
We'll be done with it. And we're not going to finish today. But we'll definitely be able to get it.
Because we're essentially we're gonna have like 2.5 hours. We'll probably get there after 2.
Beef jerky. Homemade.
What he used to love you guys.
Why? I don't want to be the center. I'm trying to learn to be humble. Why don't we put the
Why
most
start
humble
now?
guy?
Why start now?
That's fair. Are we rolling?
Yeah, it's always rolling.
What are we doing?
Dylan's actually wanted. He's got to have his face covered up. This is our closing statement. This is our closing time. It's closing time. Is anybody gonna sing with me?
No,
on
you're
that?
trying to perform. You're trying too hard.
I feel like that was a good note right there.
Deck in a day turned into deck-ish in a day.
Yeah. What do you
Deck in a
think?
day-ish.
We probably had
Day and a half.
we had 11 hours into that. That's almost a day and a half.
So existing deck, eight
transition.
8
yeah.
by
16.
16 addition,
Mhm.
6 by 6 posts, 2 by 12 double beams.
Mhm.
What else we
2
looking
by
at?
8 joists, pretty much on 16 centers. Trex Rainscape going down through it. You either have to have those on 16-inch on centers or 12-inch on centers for the gutter for it.
I've never done a gutter. That was nice to see how that's done. How you guys do the waterproof situation underneath. It's actually pretty simple, but also pretty effective.
You gotta
Seems
get
like.
it right.
Yeah.
You can't really test this because it's 20 degrees, so the spring will tell us.
Yeah. The
Sometimes
callback.
we
So
have
the callback in the
callback,
spring.
yeah. We have
Yeah.
some pinholes in it occasionally from the staples and the screws to go through.
Well, Gil didn't miss any.
How many did he miss though? Actually, let's not say that.
Yeah.
Let's just say he said if it was over 10, what did he say?
Keep that legible.
I'm not
Yeah,
apologizing.
that's a good idea too.
There's always gonna be
No one
misses.
asked you to apologize.
There's always gonna be misses with
You're
the
not in
same
trouble.
I just asked you to be
You're not-
honest.
He's
Bro.
not in trouble. He acting like he's in trouble.
I said I'm not gonna apologize.
No one asked you to apologize.
Okay. I'm just letting you know I'm not going to.
Okay.
There's gonna be misses with the Senko. It's just part of being
It just
human.
depends on how many.
It's part of being human.
You
Yeah.
guys did a great job. I think we both learned some things. We're gonna go home with more confidence, and it's fun to be out here. Listen to you guys make fun of each other the entire time.
Yeah.
Confidence on 3.
Oh my gosh.
Confidence on
It's not confidence on 3.
confidence on 3.
It's rage on 3.
Okay, rage.
Rage out 3.
1, 2, 3. Rage.
Boys,
What,
any,
have fun.
any closing statements from the boys?
No, look at the camera and say something.
No, it's a good time. It's fun. We finally got to have a collab together. It was a good time. It's good to see
It was
everyone
time for a collab. We didn't really even put any emphasis on the collab, but this was
Yeah, we
nice.
did. We said two kings, but it should have been 2 kings with their armies. That's what we should have said.
Things come together, right?
Coming.
2 kings coming together.
Yeah.
Very nice.
I like that. Sounds very like Roman.